So we're back again. We already did the runtime video. This shows how we added this runtime for the previous to last sequence. So here you can see that the last time he ran for 26 minutes. Before that, the last time he ran for 15 minutes. Total 68 hours. So if you remember, we also had a function, not what I wanted to click, and I apologize for all the clicking and stuff. We still had this guy here that we haven't put on the portal on the management system yet. So it's 516. So let's do that now. So 516. So we're gonna duplicate this one, make it 516, uh, and I'm gonna say running longer. Keep it like that. So now this is yellow because it hasn't the program hasn't retrieved that value. So it says, hey, it's yellow. Something's going on with this. But that's just the beginning because we just added it. If you click on it, everything is repopulated and it should go away. So now running longer should be available on here, which we're gonna do the same thing here. Let me stop. Um, Tools, duplicate. This is the old version, so the newer version moves more smoothly. So we're gonna do the same, but this one's gonna be a little different because we're gonna make it a state text. And what that state text is gonna do is, let's find it first. Running longer is right here. So 0 is not, basically we said running less. 1 says running longer. Or ran because it's after. Ran less. Ran longer. I don't need 2 because it never gets to 2. Everything is good. Done. We're gonna save. We're gonna start. So now when okay, let me fix that. It copies the units. We don't need units. You take this out. Click OK. Let's save again. So now it's telling me that he ran longer. Correct. So previous to last was 15 minutes. Last time he ran was 26 minutes, which makes sense. So temperature went up. In the previous video, you can see, which is about half hour ago, was 80. Now it's 85. Sun is kind of over the house. The unit's in the attic. So you can see return temperature, which typically kind of matches the attic temperature, 77. The attic fan is running. So pretty much this is a good dashboard for me now. Whenever I want to see what the system is doing, I can say, hey, is running longer, is running shorter, and we'll see. Right now is 58 degrees on the discharge side of the unit because he just ran. But that could be something good. How long? When was the last time? Oh, actually, we should say for the next video, perhaps we could do. When was the last time he ran? Like how long has the unit been off? Was this 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago? So that's a good project to do. Also, so like that, when I see is you say he ran for 26 minutes. Before that, he ran 15 minutes. He's not running now, but it has it since the last time he stopped. It's been 5 minutes. So that's the number we want to do. So I'll probably add that and do that in the next video. And this is the flexibility you have with this type of PLC, this type of system. I know this is not an industrial system, but this is our lab, and it shows how flexible the system is and how you can use it to make different things. We also have The generator page is not set up yet. We have to do that. The generator is definitely not that. The way it looks there, it's just a regular um, picture and the water main. So we also have one of those PLCs in the water main. We reading pressure from the street, reading temperature of the hot water heaters. We have a house main drain, bypass main line is open. So this basically we have heat leak sensors throughout the house. If any of them senses water, it completely isolates the the house from the street and it drains it to avoid any damages. So maybe we can also make a video on that, so you guys can see how that was done. All right. Thank you for watching.